Dina, happy birthday! I know you are satisfied today with your entire life. Natutuwa kami sa'yo. Natutuwa ako bilang kaibigan mo. Marami tayong pinagsamahan. Nina Badet, Nina Iris, Nina Joby, Nina Olive. Lahat ng ating mga kaibigan sa college life natin. We treasure a lot of the moment we share together. Laughter, sadness, pero still kahit magkalayo tayo, magkalapit naman ang ating isip, ating puso. Talagang andyan ka, andito ako, lagi mo isipin. Our friends, the moment we share. So, happy birthday, Dina. God bless you and good luck and have a helpful living.
Cheers to my ever dynamic amiga. Congratulations, malapit ka nang maging senior at ako candidate na rin. Napakabilis ng panahon, ano? Parang kailan lang. I remember we started our friendship when we were in college. Kayo dalawa ni Badet ang senior ko nun sa student council. Kaya ang laki ng influence ninyo sa akin in my college life. And of course, even after college. Remember, binigyan mo ako ng leather bag nung graduation ko. Yung leather bag na yun ang ginamit ko the whole year. First year of teaching ko. Siyempre, puro pa tayo nun. At saka, I'm very grateful for having you as my friend. Because you are one of the most significant influencer in my teaching career. Sabi mo sa akin noon nung kumakain tayo sa Goldilocks na to render advance sa Catholic school ka magturo at sinunod naman kita. Siyempre, and hindi ako nagsisi sa naging decision ko na to teach in the public school, but I chose a Catholic school because teaching in a Catholic school really nurtured my faith and it helped me a lot in my career and in my married life in raising my children. Salamat amiga sa mga pinagsamahan natin, yung mga alaala ng college natin. Kasama mo kaming ni Badet na nagtatago pag nagtataguan mo si amigong Nandi. Ang saya talagang balikan ng nakaraan. Anyway, enjoy na natin ang ating senior life at congratulations because you did it well. Magiging senior ka na may pinagka-senioran. Regards sa inyong family, sa aking inaanak at sa pamilya niya, at saka regards din daw sabi ng inaanak mo. Thank you for being my friend. Congratulations, God bless you, and happy birthday!